All right, I am going to demonstrate how to wrap a wrap. Here's the basics. So we've got this white and black marble wrap here. I'm just gonna open it up. This is a nice, soft cotton. It's got a lot of stretch to it. Wraps come in a variety of colors and sizes. This one is 6 feet by 6 feet. So we're gonna start the base model. Just bunch all this into one big long rope. Going to toss that around just like so. And here we have the scarf. The scarf can be worn just like this. It's a nice accessory. We can also loop it around. Boom, you got your traditional scarf wrap around your neck look. So today, I'm gonna start in the long scarf. So we're gonna grab one of the ends and find a corner. I got a corner here. So that corner, the edge runs all the way along behind you. We'll just follow that along and find the other side of that. So we got the big long edge behind us, and we're just going to let that float down. Nice and flowy, easy to throw on. It's kind of like a shawl, the poncho shawl. Very casual, very comfortable. And so let's take one of these corners that we have. Start with the left hand and drape that edge, drape that corner over the back of your hand. So we got fabric behind, fabric in front. We're going to grab the fabric in front and just kind of bunch that up. And we're going to tuck it behind the elbow. Behind the elbow, bend the elbow. This is called the elbow hook. You hook the fabric on the elbow. Now it's nice and snug back there. So we have the elbow hook. And now we're going to grab that corner that's draping behind the hand, and we're going to wrap it around the wrist, nice and tight. Nice and tight around the wrist. And we're going to tuck it underneath this bunch of fabric here. So here we have the wrist wrap. We can grab this fabric that we have and just wrap it further around the arm. Maybe give it a little twist. Boom. So there we went from scarf to poncho shawl to shirt with a sleeve, right? We're gonna do that same thing on the other side, elbow tuck and wrist wrap. So grab the fabric in front of the arm, leaving a foot hanging behind the hand. And we're going to wrap that around the elbow, tuck it, hook it, anchor it behind the elbow there. So it's nice and snug. Same thing, we're gonna grab this bit of fabric behind the hand and wrap it around the wrist. Do that this way, wrap it around the wrist. And then tuck it underneath this bunch of fabric here. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this, and then so the bit of fabric in front here, I'm going to continue wrapping that around. there we have another sleeve. You'll notice the shirt with 2 sleeves. The back of the shirt, the height is adjustable. The height of the back of the shirt is adjustable. So we have the scarf, poncho, shirt, complete with 2 sleeves. There we go. So one final thing, we can cover up this shirt. It's currently open chested, pretty shawl-like. We can grab one of the corners from the scarf still. We can get that and just toss it over the shoulder and make adjustments as you like. There we go. We've got the shirt that is closed up in the front. I like to wear the wraps over top of my clothes to accessorize my outfit. As you can see, if I were wearing no shirt, you would definitely be able to see my skin. So I like to wear a shirt, t-shirt, or a tank top underneath. It can be worn as a regular shirt. There are some ways to get around the shirt coming up. The shirt coming up as you lift your arms. That'll be for another video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your wrap.